y'all. Happy Saturday. I hope you all are having a wonderful weekend. I hope you have some fantastic plans today. The weather here has actually not been too terrible the last few days, so hopefully wherever you are, the weather is not 100 degrees or over so you can actually maybe get outside or go do something and enjoy the weekend. Again, thank you for being here. I do appreciate it. As you can see from the title down below, today we are going to be unboxing the Jackie's chocolate subscription. Yes, this is a chocolate subscription, you guys, and it is so yummy. They did very kindly send this to me for review, so thank you so much to Jackie's Chocolate. I have reviewed for them a few times before, and every time has been fantastic. But some things have changed, and I'm actually excited to tell you about it. So, we will get into all of that in just a minute. I do want to remind you guys, we have our 4,000 subscriber giveaway going on that is running through August 15th. I will put a link down below, so please definitely make sure you head over and enter if you have not already. And if you are new, welcome. I do hope you would consider hitting that subscribe button. We do all kinds of fun unboxings and live streams and sneak peek videos. Lots of fun stuff here, so we would definitely love to have you. I guarantee you, you will have a fun time as well. So please smash that subscribe button. Also, as always, please do leave a comment down below. Tell me about your day. Tell me what you think of this video, this subscription. I love hearing from you guys. And don't forget to hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed the video. So, Jackie's Chocolate. Yes, y'all, a chocolate subscription. Yum, yum, yum. So, let me tell you first, because there's this cute card, Jackie's Chocolate, and this is Jackie. Isn't she gorgeous? My grandmother's name was Jackie, so this also kind of is a little bit, you know, reminds me of her. So it says, a visit from Grandma Jackie always meant three things: a warm hug, stories about Lake, I always butcher this, Neba Gamon, and a box of her old-fashioned handmade chocolate. Stubborn and wise, Jackie never swayed from using the freshest and purest ingredients in her chocolates. We're proud to keep Jackie's tradition alive and happy to share her gift with you. If you find yourself craving more or need gift ideas, visit us online. So, I will put a link down below for you guys if you would like to check out Jackie's Chocolate, or if you need a gift idea, because this does make an amazing gift. So, we have that. But they sent me some letter with some information, and I reviewed it, and it actually, some stuff has changed, because they used to have like 2 or 3 different levels of the subscription, like as far as how much chocolate you could get with the subscription. Now, you can go to their website as well, which is www.jackieschocolate.com, and you can actually order fudge and different things like that. But as far as the subscription, they used to have like 2 to 3 different levels or sizes, like the amount. Now it's just one. It's a half pound. So, okay, at first they're just thanking me for the review. So, it says that this is the perfect treat to pamper yourself or a loved one, or surprise a loved one. Each month you'll receive half a pound of assorted artisan chocolates, including crunchy nuts, chewy caramels, fluffy marshmallows, creamy truffles, enrobed in silky milk chocolate, decadent dark chocolate, and velvety white chocolate. You get approximately 15 chocolates per box. And it says, our team carefully curates each month's box, often coming up with clever and tasty tributes to holidays. So like Halloween, Christmas, Valentine's Day. Now, the box is $27.50 a month, and it is free shipping. Now, you can get this as low as $24.50 because they do offer 3, 6, and 12-month subscriptions. So obviously, each tier is going to lower the price per month a little bit. So like I said, monthly it's $27.50 with free shipping. You can get it if you go ahead and do 12 months as low as $24.50. It says our team checks the weather for each and every shipment. when necessary, we use thermal insulation, deep freeze cold packs, and the shortest transit times. And they do, because when I was communicating back and forth about the review, that was just a few days ago, and it's here. Like 2 to 3 days, and it was here. And actually, I already know this from previously opening it. Inside that silver pack, I guarantee you there will be like a cold pack. So that is awesome, especially in July. So, and they have given us a coupon code. Yay, thank you. To save 15% off any subscription. So if you go ahead and prepay for 3 months, 6 months, or 12, regardless of what subscription length you choose, you can save 15% on any subscription. And that is save 15. So that is super easy to remember. So I will put that down below, as well as a link to get you to where you can sign up for the subscription. So let's, oh, and this is new. Okay. This is awesome. This is a list of all of the chocolates that are in the box this month. So that is awesome. This is the first time, and like I said, this is at least my 3rd or 4th time reviewing for them. So I've never seen this, so this must be something new as well, so you kind of know what to expect, and I really love that. So let's get into opening it, and we will reference the list and go over what is inside. Now, just for purposes to make the video easier, I did go ahead, because there was really no way to show you the box without showing my address, unless I showed you the back of the box, which didn't really make sense. So that is actually why I opened it. This is actually a sticker that was inside, and I put it on here, so you do get a sticker. But yes, I guarantee you that there will be a cold pack in here. Cold pack, and it is still gold. And here we have our cute little box. All right, so let's get it open. I just did that with my box cutter and did not even cut this plastic. Oh yeah, I did. I just didn't realize it. Okay, there we go. Like, this box is still cold. So here it is outside. Isn't it cute? It's just like, that's what I was saying, is this makes a great gift. Like, who would not love getting this to their door? And it's kind of like you got to open the box, and then you got to open the mailer, and then you finally get your goodies. So it's kind of like a fun, I'm one of those people that will wrap a gift, put it inside a box, wrap that box, then wrap another box. And so this, I think, would be fun. All right. So like with all chocolates, it's got the little stuff here. Oh, these look so pretty. Aren't they so pretty? Those look really good with the little beads. All right, so I am going to actually just read from the description, because it's going to be kind of hard to tell on some of these exactly what they are, but we will definitely read what it says that we've got in here. So we have a milk chocolate cream, yum. Milk chocolate orange cream, yum. Dark chocolate coconut cream. Milk chocolate buttercream. Dark chocolate molasses. Milk chocolate maple nut cream. White chocolatey caramel chew, yum. Milk chocolate rum truffle, dark chocolate vanilla caramel, dark chocolate buttercream, and a white chocolate coconut cream. Y'all, I see a Lifetime movie and some chocolate, maybe a glass of wine or a glass of milk. I know that's like one or the other. But all of those sound delicious. It came to my door. This is amazing. So I will put that promo code and the link if you would like to sign up for Jackie's Chocolate down below, or if you would like to gift it to someone, you could certainly do that as well. It makes a great gift. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, have a wonderful day. Don't forget to enter the 4,000 subscriber giveaway, and I will talk with you guys with the next one. Bye.